Hi guys, it's Kyra from KyraWilliamsFitness.com, and today we are doing stability ball rollouts. For these, we're going to start kneeling with a stability ball in front of us. We're going to have our hands in a prayer position, back by our hips. We're going to squeeze really tight through our core because we don't want there to be any movement in our hips, okay? We're going to go ahead and roll out, keep everything tight, reach our elbows, come back up just the same way that we came. We can bring it down here and we can hold, but again, coming right back up the same way that we came. We don't want to see coming out and then pushing your butt back and then coming up. If we cannot stay in one solid piece, then we just need to decrease the range of motion, working our way all the way out so that our body can stay flat the entire time. So for more excellent core building exercises like this, sign up for online personal training at KyraWilliamsFitness.com.